The Sexual Harassment and Prevention Act was passed in the Senate on Friday with 23 amendments. The bill was discussed by a joint select committee before being brought to Parliament, but up to late Friday afternoon, government senators were still tabling amendments. The bill seeks to provide protection from or compensation for sexual harassment, especially in the workplace. Senators had a lengthy debate during which opposition senators raised several issues. Among them, concerns from Damian Crawford, who suggested that special consideration should be made for the services industry, noting that guests and customers may have different interpretation of a polite attendant.
Basis, but perception from one side, the receiver, and not considering intent from the sender.
It lists all the harassment, but does not make a provision for the person being harassed to caution the harassee to stop because what is being done or said is offensive. If this provision is not included in the law, we are going to have some difficulties. We are going to have a lot of frivolous cases being brought to the tribunal.
It's not an amendment I support because it perpetuates what is a consistent cycle that the onus must always be on the victim. So women mustn't go to clubs, women mustn't wear tight clothes, not men don't rape.
There was also concern about the proposed review of the Act after 18 months, which the opposition believes is too short, and the requirement for small employers to set up protocols to address harassment in the workplace. The Act will now go back to the lower house for the amendments to be approved before being gazetted.